This is my Arbor press. It's a small one from Harbor Freight. I believe that's where I got it. I've had it for a long time. And the handle is kind of subpar. You know, they make ones with ratchets, and that's what I'm going to convert this to. You know, you only have two positions. You know, it's here or it's here, and that may or may not match up. A lot of times you're at an awkward position where you really can't get a good press. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this. I'm going to cut this socket off and weld it on here. And then I can use a ratchet wrench, and this one extends out to 18 inches, as it says right there. I got it from Harbor Freight. I think it was $19 or something like that. This came from Harbor Freight. It's a 15/16, and it just happens to fit the same size as this. If I'd gotten one a little bit smaller, I probably could have been a little bit easier to weld it on there, but I didn't have this with me when I bought it, so I just kind of guessed. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this off, weld it on there, and then that will allow me to adapt it. Really quick and easy fix. Alright, so I flattened this off on the lathe. I could have done this on a belt sander or something like that, or just been more careful about my cutting. And then I beveled the edges, which is just going to make it look better. It isn't something that would have to be done if you don't have equipment to do that kind of thing. So now what I'm going to do is just get this tacked in place. Okay, so I decided to put it in here sideways while I was trying to film. You know, I tacked it on one side and it lifted before I could get it done on the other side because the camera was in the way. So anyway, I ground that off and let me give it another try. Alright, that's got us a good weld around there. Now I'm probably going to put that on the lathe and clean it up. Wouldn't have to be done. It would work just like it is. You can see we got a little bit of a wobble, but not bad for just doing it by sight. Alright, that's all I'm going to clean up on that because I didn't really groove it very deep, so I don't want to weaken my strength there. Alright, I put a coat of black paint on there. That's the finished product. Weld's a little rough. If I had built it up a little more or grooved it a little more, I could have spun that off, but I think it looks just fine for what it is. The rest of this thing doesn't look all that great. And then to go down, and then I can extend the handle out if I need more leverage. I think that's going to work great. Well, if you have one of these, you might consider this upgrade. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.